we do everything exterior, but the most visual part of what we do is siding. Everybody wants to know what their house is going to look like, and they might be scared of doing some different things like shakes and the peaks, board and batten accents, or even changing color. They don't know what their house would look like in that, maybe that color choice they want. The nice part about what we do at Legacy Exteriors is we can actually give them that visualization of their house. We come out, we take 8 pictures of the house. What's nice about that, it gives us every measurement on the house, but it also will put that house in a 3D image. So when they come in the showroom and they pick out their colors and they want to know, hey, what would this look like on my house? We can actually show them on their house what it would look like. And that's great, seeing their faces light up, or trying different ideas, because we've done thousands upon thousands of homes. So we've taken some bits and ideas from each house, and we try to make their house a one-on-one.